Hey guys, it's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. It is that time again to show you my Sipsby monthly subscription tea box. If you're not familiar with Sipsby is a monthly tea subscription discovery box. It is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States, and this is my February tea box. When you open your box, you will see an informational card inside, and all these teas were personalized for my tea tastes. So let's see what's going to be in my box for the month of February. I have some Spice It Up tea from the company called Off Black, and that is my high caffeine tea, and that is a black tea with cinnamon, clove buds, ginger, and safflower. There's some Darjeeling tea, that is by Choice Organics, and that is my medium caffeine tea. I specifically asked them for kind of a mixture of caffeine levels, so a lot of times they will give me a high caffeine, medium caffeine, and then a caffeine-free choice. I also see some chocolate rooibos tea from Numi, and that is a verified fair labor organic rooibos tea with cocoa powder, organic cocoa shells, and some organic honey bush and organic vanilla. And finally, I see some Tarty to the Party tea. I love that name, from Tea Kitten, and that is also a caffeine-free tea. It contains hibiscus, apple, papaya, currants, elderberries, black currants, and some flavoring. So let's get to the box and open it up and see what is inside. I see some of Sipsby's reusable muslin cloth tea bags. That means I must have some loose tea in my bag. This is the Choice tea, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I have the Spice It Up tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Tarty to the Party tea is my loose tea, so I have a large packet of that. And then finally, I see the chocolate rooibos tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. So let's see which tea I'm going to test out today. I think I'm going to test out the tea from Off Black, the Spice It Up Masala Chai tea. So let's get started making this tea. I hope you enjoyed seeing my Sipsby monthly tea box for February. I will leave all the information for Sipsby down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.